Captain Robert Dlamini wakuleli waqala ukusebenza etindizeni kuleli ngeminyaka wanga-1988 njenga-aircraft controller. Waqala kushayela indiza Jubanzenzele ngaphansi kwe-Royal Swazi ngeminyaka wanga-1993. Captain Dlamini bekashayela ka-Airlink iminyaka leminingi ngaphambi kwekuba esebentele i-Eswatini Air. Namhla Captain Dlamini uthethe umhlalaphansi njengoba sekaneminyaka lengama-65, 65 years. Tisebendi tase-Eswatini Air timhlangabetile umlangeni namhla. Kanike le ndiza leniyibonako le beyiqhamuka eJohannesburg bekade ishayelwa nguye Captain Robert Dlamini kwekugcina ngci namuhla. Ndumiso Shongwe lo ngu-Airways General Manager ka-Eswatini Air ubeke kanje.
We wanted to have this tomorrow on his birthday, which is tomorrow, 22 July. He shares the birthday with the King Sokusa. They share the same birthday. But when we looked closely at the regulation, it says he cannot fly on his birthday and after his birthday. So we decided to do it today.
Wisdom Dlamini lo ngu-chairman ka-Eswatini Air naye uhalalisele Captain Dlamini.
Leo bravery leyo kwesitawukhumbula bonkosi ukuthi he was even awarded by His Majesty for le bravery leyo. Lene ngwenyama nayo beyikhombisa ku-appreciate the bravery lokusotsha lakhombisa labukhombisa during that unfortunate situation.
There were some hiccups on the way, there were thunderstorms, there were wind shears, as Chairman is saying, and some unfortunate situations. But what can you do? God gives you what He gives you. And if you take it as it is given to you, you will succeed that way. So it's only courage. Guys, it's not easy that every 6 months you have to go for a test. When you come out from the test, if you get a fail, you lose everything like nobody else. But we had to go for all these 35 years. Every 6 months you go some test and everything, and then until this stage.
Captain Robert Dlamini unemahora latinkhulungwane letingemashumi lamabili kanye nemakhulu lasitfupha 20,600 asemoyeni ashayela indiza. Ngingenhlanhla Thwala etindzabeni te-channel yeMaswati eKing Mswati the 3rd International Airport.